It is a chilly and quiet start to our Wednesday. We're waking up with temperatures in the 40s, mid 40s, and this is actually about 10 degrees cooler than 24 hours ago. 45 in Wilmington with a wind out of the northeast about 3 miles per hour. Visibility at a 10, so really not much to mention that will impact your commute as you're heading out to work and school this morning. So a cool start. Sunrise will be just a little bit after 7 o'clock, and temperatures will be gradually warming up into the 60s by 11 o'clock under full sunshine. But we are tracking our next weather system that is going to bring us some rain. I'll let you know when it arrives. Good Morning Carolina starts right now.
Good morning, Carolina. I'm Randy Aldridge.
And I'm Helen Holt. Gabrielle Diebler has the morning off.
And coming up a little bit, we have Teacher of the Week, and we were both there together for it this week. It was, I do these a lot. All of our educators are so inspiring and so wonderful. They do a great job. This one just really touched both our hearts. She really is does a special job with some special kids, and I cannot wait to share it with you. Didn't you think so? We
are warning you now to get the tissues out. It is such a sweet story, and she is so dedicated at her job, and you can completely tell. You'll be able to watch the story and completely understand how she feels and how most teachers feel as well.
I agree. And she's only been doing it for 2 years. It's amazing. We can't wait to show that to you.
Here's meteorologist Helen Holt with your Storm Track 3 forecast.
Good morning. It's 6:39 on this Wednesday. We're halfway through the work week, and we're starting out with a live look on our TV tower cam in Winnebago and Brunswick County. You can see a little bit of cloud coverage, but that's actually pushing offshore. So if you're wanting to check out the sunrise in about 20 minutes, it is going to be a beautiful one. So mainly clear skies on our Storm Track 3 radar and satellites. So basically no clouds to deal with, and definitely no rain to deal with this morning, as we have high pressure that was overhead yesterday, basically pushing offshore now, giving us another day filled with sunshine. Temperatures will be a little bit warmer this afternoon, and we're watching this next rainmaker as a storm system is going to just draw up a lot of moisture from the Gulf Coast, and then will spread over into southeastern North Carolina, first with clouds and a few spotty showers tomorrow, but then Friday is looking to be a pretty active day. Pinpoint Futurecast will show temperatures warming up into the upper 60s to near 70 degrees this afternoon. Really not going to see much in terms of clouds. It should be a pretty sunny day, but as we get into our Thursday morning, those clouds will start to spread over, and then some spotty showers will be possible. Temperatures will be in the middle to upper 50s to begin our Thursday, and in the afternoon it'll be a warm one. We'll get into the 70s pretty much everywhere in southeastern North Carolina, but it will be a good idea to have the umbrella around because there will be some spotty showers throughout the day. But as we head into Friday, look at Pinpoint Futurecast just basically lighting up with those greens, reds, and even in the yellows. So that's decoding some heavier rain bands that are going to be moving through at that time, and you'll probably have to deal with a little bit of thunder and lightning as well. Storm Prediction Center does have southeastern North Carolina under a marginal risk for severe weather, so heavy downpours, gusty winds, and some thundering or lightning are possible with some of those storms that develop. So cool start. Sunrise is at 7:01. A full day of sunshine is in store by 11 o'clock. We'll be into the lower 60s, and I think most areas will get into at least near 70 degrees. Along the coast will be a little bit cooler with temperatures in the middle 60s, 65 degrees, breezy at times east at 10 to 15 miles per hour. That offshore waters forecast 5 to 9 feet. So a little rough out there still, 2 to 3 feet for the coastal waters. And then their pollen count staying elevated again today, 10.2, a high level. Hopefully some of that rain will wash the pollen away. Mostly clear skies tonight. Temperatures not as cold, into the middle to upper 50s. And like I said, Randy's over here struggling this morning, so I'm wishing some of this rain will come and wash this pollen away just for him. I'm making up a nice couch for you.
It's got to happen. It's just got to happen. Either that or I've got to take to the bed for a while. Flonase is really not cutting it anymore.
And we were talking about this yesterday. I feel so sorry for people who suffer from allergies. I feel like it's been so bad this year, worse than the past couple of years.
Yeah, it's kicked in hard the past couple of days. The guy was just here for an interview in case you missed it. They're having a great event today at Gold's Gym for homeless veterans, but he was the same way. It's just, the struggle is real. And I kind of grew into my allergies. I didn't have them when I was younger, so,
that heavy rain is coming, and maybe it'll just wash it all away for at least for a day or two.
Good, I hope so. Good morning, Carolina. I'm Randy Aldridge.
And I'm Helen Holt. Gabrielle Diebler has the morning off.
And we're giggling a little bit because we're talking about restaurant week, and she told me the name of a restaurant that's part of it, and I was like, I don't even know what you're talking. I don't even know what those words are.
Well, it was delicious. I ate it yesterday. Beer Barrio, that's downtown, and I'm pretty sure I saw a little flyer saying they were part of Restaurant Week, and that place is awesome. It's one of the many amazing restaurants that are on the list. It's giving me a good excuse to maybe have dinner a few times out this week.
Yeah, Restaurant Week is very, very fun, and I'll have to check out Beer Barrio as well, now that I know what it is.
Yeah, it's right downtown. Fork and Cork was also on there. Of course, that place is fabulous.
Fantastic. Yeah, there are lots and lots of restaurants all over Wilmington. So good time. And let's talk about that right now. Food lovers.
Good morning, everyone. The sun will be rising in less than 10 minutes, and it's going to be an absolutely gorgeous one. You can see a little bit of cirrus clouds moving out of here. Otherwise, it is a mainly clear start. You can see that on our Storm Track 3 radar and satellite. No rain and no clouds to deal with. So as you're heading out to work and school this morning, your commute should be an easy one. It is a different spread of temperatures from the inland to the coast. 41 degrees currently for Lumberton, 44 in Whiteville, 45 here in the Port City. But look on the coast, that temperatures are in the lower 50s, 51 degrees in Southport right now. And a difference from 24 hours ago, especially for Lumberton, Whiteville, and Wilmington, about 7 degrees cooler than this time yesterday morning. We will stay very dry today, so another full day of sunshine will be in store for our Wednesday, and temperatures warming up into the upper 60s to near 70 degrees, a little bit cooler on the coast. But we are watching a storm system, and we'll see that first impacts of it in terms of clouds spreading up from the south and west as we go into tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. We will see some sunshine to start out the day, but by the afternoon I think we will be filling up with those clouds, and a few spotty showers is possible throughout the day. I think the washout conditions come to play as we begin our Friday and lingering around throughout the day. If you're heading out of the Island Airport today, near 70 degrees, sunshine, and pretty quiet conditions wherever you go. If you're going from Atlanta even into Washington, D.C., things will be very quiet, and especially around southeastern North Carolina, a beautiful day, breezy at times, east 5 to 15 miles per hour. Lows tonight will be in the middle to upper 50s, mostly clear. A quiet night on tap, east winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Spotty showers are going to be coming back into play on Thursday. Hopefully that will pull those pollen counts down. Rain and storms possibly on the strong to severe side, warming up though near 80 degrees by Friday, and then behind that system we'll notice cooler temperatures back down to lower 70s by Saturday. Lots of sunshine in store for our Sunday. Definitely going to have to get out and enjoy that weather, and heading into next week it should remain dry as well. Tuesday near 70 degrees and a mixture of sun and clouds, but today another picture perfect one to go out for a walk or a run. Whatever you want to do outdoors. Maybe get some of those spring chores done, mow the grass.
It is time. It is time.
I've already had to mow my grass earlier.
Me too. I've had to do it several times. And this is a good time with this weather coming on Friday to remind everybody to download our weather app and to follow you and Scott and Gabrielle, because they're always letting you know what you need to know about the weather.
Yes, always posting weather updates and posting pictures and sharing pictures. You send us your sunrise, sunset, nature photos. We're always loving to share that stuff as well, because some of us don't live at the beach, and some of us want to see beach photos or inland spots. You know, it's great.
They post the good and the bad.
Yes,
the good
and
the bad.
the bad, of course.